Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to turn on or off the volume limitation on startup feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here the setup button. Then you can use the following menu. Select here the sound. Afterwards, let's choose here the first option, which is the premium sound, and select here volume limitation on startup. So we can enable or disable this feature just by using this checkbox. When it's active, like on my screen, if you are blasting music late at night before parking, this safety limit ensures that the next morning the car automatically dials down the audio system to a mild level upon ignition, so you aren't startled. I think it's quite nice. I like to have this enabled, and let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.